The chance experiment consists of flipping a coin and rolling a number cube, which is just a die, with the numbers 1 through 6 on the faces. Part A says list the sample space of this chance experiment. That means every single possible set of outcomes. We can land on any of the numbers between 1 and 6 with the number cube. And then that could be paired up with a head from our coin. Or we could pair those numbers up with tails from our coin. Then it says, list the probability of each outcome in the sample space. Well, each of these is considered one possible outcome. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 possible outcomes. So each one has a probability of 1/12. And that would go all the way down. B says, what is the probability of getting a head on the coin and a number 3 on the number cube? So that's this one piece here out of 12. It only happens once. Every other time you'd have a different number, or maybe it would be tails. One way that you could solve that is you could go, well, the odds of getting a heads on the coin are 1/2, and the odds of getting a 3 on the number cube are 1 out of 6. And multiplying those together, 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 6 is 12. Then in part C, it says, what's the probability of getting a tails on the coin and an even number on the number cube? 2, 4, 6. So that's 3 out of the 12. Or you might say, well, landing on tails would be 1 out of 2 possible outcomes for the coin. And an even happens 2, 4, 6. That would be 3 times out of the 6 for the number cube. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 6 is 12.